Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 Daily Operations Weather Briefing. We have another cold start to the day this morning. Seeing our wind chills once again below 10 degrees this morning, and seeing those wind chills this morning continuing below 10 degrees, between about 0 and 10 degrees throughout the morning hours. Temperatures right now in the upper teens, seeing lows last night in the mid-teens. And it'll be a cold day across the region. Once again, not seeing those temperatures move above the freezing mark, and we'll be stuck in the mid-20s today. And that regime looks like it'll be likely for the next few days, as we have a very cold air mass in place. So not going to see much in the way of any thawing across the region the next few days, and our wind chills will continue to see those values in the single digits during the morning overnight hours. So looking at our current observation, we have a few clouds around 3,000 feet off the coast, winds out of the northwest at 8 knots, temperature at 17 degrees, and relative humidity at 56%. And taking a look at our current satellite imagery as well as radar observations and our National Weather Service advisories and watches, you can see here we do have a cold weather advisory across the region in association with those very cold wind chills. Most likely they'll continue to see those advisories across the area for the next few days, as we have those wind chills, as I mentioned, between 0 and 10 degrees Fahrenheit during the morning hours. The National Weather Service has also issued a winter storm watch for our area for the system coming in this weekend that could potentially give us some snowfall and some impacts across the region. But overall for this morning, not seeing much on the radar, just seeing some mountain snow across the Appalachians north and west of the region, as well as seeing some cloud cover off the coast. And taking a look at our HRRR model for today, you can see we'll have increasing cloud cover throughout the day, mainly in the mid and upper levels, and that's going to keep our temperatures from rising very much as well, with only highs in the mid-20s. We'll see a slightly breezy northwesterly wind this afternoon, gusting around 25 to 26 knots, so could see a wind advisory for a brief time period this afternoon. But overall, no chance of precipitation or lightning, as we have in general good conditions other than that cold weather and seeing those breezy conditions. And taking a quick look at the European model here for this weekend, you can see here it develops an area of low pressure off the Carolina coast on Saturday and does pull some moisture in across the region as we move into Saturday afternoon and the evening hours, so could see some light snowfall during that time period. And any of that snowfall that does fall across the area on Saturday evening will stick very quickly, as our temperatures will not be above freezing for the next few days. So moving to Sunday, that's the big question of how this low develops, how closely it comes to the coast, and as well how much precip is able to move back into our area. Moving on to our risk chart for today, we'll see a high today of 26, low tonight of 12. We'll see our winds gusting this afternoon around 26 knots, so orange for our winds. Wind chills will be around 10 degrees or below the next 24 hours. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, VFR conditions the next 24 hours, our tides are running normal at this time. And looking at Friday into Saturday, Friday, partly to mostly cloudy and cold, wind chills between 0 and 10 degrees during the morning, high of 24 degrees. Friday night, mostly cloudy, overcast, very slight chance of some light snow or some flurries from time to time. No accumulation expected Friday night, but still have that very slight chance. Wind chills once again between 0 and 10 degrees, a low of 15. And for our Saturday, cloudy and cold with a chance of light snow by late afternoon, becoming breezy by the evening as well as that area low pressure intensifies off the coast. We'll see light snow accumulation possible by the evening hours. Wind chills once again between about 0 and 15 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll see a high of only 23 degrees. Going with orange here for precipitation, looks like it's a fairly good chance of seeing some scattered or light snow showers across the region for the afternoon hours. As well, we'll see our winds gusting during the evening hours near 25 knots and could see some reduced visibilities and ceilings with those light snow showers. And taking a look at the weekend storm here, just two different maps, seeing the moderate impacts possible along the coastline, and that's kind of aligning with the National Weather Service and their winter storm watch for the area. Points north and west could be just seeing some minor impacts from the system, and a brief look at a European ensemble 50 percentile snowfall map here. You can see it does have that snowfall across the region with higher amounts along the coastline. Still trying to refine this forecast, and this is just a model output, so not a forecast from us, but looking like that intense snow band or higher amounts of accumulation is just off the coast, making this forecast very tricky, as this is if this low does move off the coast a little bit farther, we'll see much less in the way of snowfall. Moves closer to the coast, could be seeing a bit higher accumulation amounts. So we'll continue to monitor this and provide updates as needed as we go throughout the next few days. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day today. We're back at 10 o'clock in 7 days.